This is a tutorial that demonstrates how you can create a customized widget for your Desire to Learn course. I'm also going to demonstrate through that widget how you can embed a video by using HTML code. Let's get started. I'm at my course homepage, and the first thing that I want to do is make sure that I'm in a role where I can make changes to my course. I'm in an instructional design role, which is what I want to be. I can begin by going into my widgets. There's a couple of different ways I can do it depending on how I have my course navigation bar set up. One sure way to do it is by clicking my Edit Nav bar pencil. Going into widgets here would allow me to get to my customized widget option. I can also click on Edit Course if that's available on your nav bar and go straight to my widgets. This is my Manage Widgets page. If I look here, I can see that I have a Custom Widgets tab as well as a System Widgets tab. The System Widgets, let's just go in there briefly, give you all of the default options that you have for widgets within the D2L system. There are quite a few, so we won't go into each one of those now. If we go back to Custom Widgets, this is where we want to create a new widget. So let's do that. Click New Widget. And let's give it a name, which is a required field. So I'm going to call my widget, my new widget, Clip of the Week. I can offer a description. Each week I will be uploading a video that I would like you to watch before our class session. I would be able to add a file if I chose to for this particular Properties tab. Let's click on Customize. Anytime that you get this drop down Created Successfully tab, that just means that your changes have been made successfully to your D2L course. My Customize allows me to change colors. I can change my title there if I want to. I can enter a title color if I want to there as well. That's just basically how it's going to display. Release conditions. There is a separate tutorial that is available for release conditions that goes more into detail about exactly what a release condition means. But for now, we can just say that if we did have a release condition set already, we could attach it here, or we could create and attach a new condition if we wanted to. Essentially, a condition just makes sure that people have met other conditions before they are able to view that customized widget. Could also have a release date, that they have to get a certain score. But as I said, there is another tutorial available specifically on release conditions that you can watch for more information on that. Content. This is where we're going to create the content that we want displayed within our custom widget box. As I said already, what we want to do is for my clip of the week, I would like my students to watch a video from YouTube. So if I go to YouTube, and I click this speech that I would like my students to be able to watch, I'm going to click here, Get Video Embed Code. YouTube allows us to get the embed code for each video so that we can embed it within our media that we are choosing. So I'm going to copy it, and let's go back to D2L. Okay, now here, when I go into my WYSIWYG editor and click Edit HTML Source, I'm going to paste that HTML code that I just brought over from YouTube. I'll click Update. And how about we preview what I just did? Great, there's my speech. I'm going to click Save. I just created a customized widget. Now we'll go in and talk about how we can submit that or place that new customized widget on our homepage. In order to place our new customized widget onto our homepage, we'll have to go to our homepages selection and make that change. Here I am in my Manage Homepages screen. I'll want to click on the current and active course homepage that I have set. So in this case, it's my course CAS 100B homepage. And when I click on it, it's going to open up the properties and give us a content and layout function. I would like to click the content and layout tab. And here are my current widgets and the current layout, which I have them. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to add a widget to my course. I could choose to do it in my header, in the middle panel, which is the center, left, or right. So I'm going to add a widget. Let's say, let me add it to my center panel. This is my list, and there it is, our clip of the week. When I click Save, it loads my widget. And there we go. Okay, so how about we go back to our course home and see what our widget looks like. Great. If I click play, able to see my video. It's embedded right on my homepage, and it's also part of my customized widget. Now each week, all I need to do to edit it is click on my pencil, and I'm now able to go back into my HTML editor. I can simply delete what I have there, post my new HTML source code, and that will allow me to update my customized widget each week. And I'm just placing the original back, click Save, go to Course Home. This has been a tutorial for how you can create a customized widget, as well as how you can embed video into that customized widget. Thank you.